Enjoy as we explore some of Jamaicans' favorite treat. Let's go right ahead and eat and enjoy. One of my Jamaican friend, one of my subscriber, she went to Jamaica and guess what she brought back for me? Some Jamaican treats. You want to see what's in there? You have peanut cake. You have tambourine ball. You have staggerback. You have peanut sweetie. You have drops. You have jackass corn. You have gizzard. You have grater cake. Growing up, this is grater cake. So most people who go to Jamaica, them care about grater cake made from coconut. They care about peanut cake, peanut sweetie. Not to forget the drops, the gizzard, staggerback, jackass corn, and the tambourine ball. But most importantly, you see them three items here? The gizzard, the grater cake, and the drops. When you go to Jamaica, these are the three things that they bring back for you. So, if you have family members at Jamaica, then we do grater cake, gizzard, and drops in no particular order. So you see, when you look for something here, you know like a sweetness a come back. Just to make you have a taste of Jamaica. Girl, I love it. I know you watch me. I love it. I love it. Yes. Dinner later, and thank you. Enjoy as we explore some of Jamaicans' favorite treat. Let's go right ahead and eat and enjoy.